As well as creating generic menu items for headings and drop-downs, we can also create menu items that link to files or images or anywhere else that you want to add them, and these are called custom links. One of the custom links that you might want to create is a link that takes you directly to a document. So in your menu you could click on something that says, your standards and quality report or your service improvement plan, and clicking on that menu item will take you directly there. So what we're going to set up just now is showing you how to do that. So the first thing we have to do is click into our dashboard. We're going to go to the media panel and we're going to add the relevant files. Now I've already saved the documents that I want to save from Trinity High School's website, so that would be things like the service improvement plan, their service improvement plan poster, their standards and quality report, things like that. And all we're going to do is upload them to our media library. Now once the files are uploaded, we can go back into the library and have a look at the individual files. The reason we're doing it this way is that when we upload a file, the actual file now has a URL, and we can copy that URL and use that as part of our custom link. So you can right click on the text, or you can simply click the copy to clipboard feature there. And now that we've got that link, we can go to appearance, go to menus, and we're back into our menu items. This time we're looking for custom links, and we're going to use the URL we just copied into the URL portion, and the link text is what's going to be displayed as the menu heading. So service improvement plan, standard and quality report, it doesn't matter, just what's relevant to the document. Once we add that link in, it's going to be treated the same as any other menu item, and we can just drag it into place wherever we need to put it. So here we can put it under school information, wherever it needs to go, and we can save it there and preview how that looks. So if we now go on to our school website just to see how that would look from a parent's perspective, all they have to do is look at the drop down for school information. They can click on that document and they'll be taken straight to the standards and quality report. Again, very, very simple to do that. If we want to repeat that process, we can do that for as many items as we like, and we can create custom links for them all. A good tip is to take all the URLs and perhaps store them in a Word document so that you don't have to keep going in and out each time you do this. So you can click on a document that you've uploaded, you can copy the URL, paste it into a Word document, have all them good to go, and then go into your menus and use the URLs in the custom links that you want to create. So we're just going to create a second custom link here. We're going to create one and pop in the URL again, and when we add this to the menu, again all we have to do is drag this into the relevant place. Always have to save your changes once you've updated your menu, and then that will be reflected in the view that you see as a parent on the website. So again, going back, we can see that we now have two menu items under school information, and they both act the same. Where we click on one, it's going to take us to it. A good bit of practice is to create what are called dead links, where we set up a fake link that goes nowhere. So here we could create one called documents. I'm going to initially say we're going to go to Google, and then I'm going to add that custom link to our menu. Once the custom link is added to the menu, we can then remove the Google link just by clicking the drop down and deleting that text. And this now serves as a way to hold the rest of the menu items. So if we drag documents up and we make sure it's not a sub item, we can then put the other items that we want to go under that just by moving them, and then we can move the whole group if we like. When we save this, we've now got a new document heading which is not going to direct us to any pages at all. It's just going to serve as a way of holding the other two menu items. And here you can see them there. So again, really, really simple.